You have a second fridge in your garage for drinks and overflow groceries. It keeps breaking. Or it stopped cooling and you can't figure out why. Here's the Florida-specific explanation. The problem: most residential refrigerators are designed to operate in ambient temperatures between 60 and 100 degrees. In a Florida garage, summer temperatures can exceed 110 degrees, especially in an unconditioned garage. What happens? The compressor runs continuously trying to keep the fridge cool in extreme heat. It overheats, overworks, and fails prematurely. The condenser coils can't dissipate heat efficiently when the surrounding air is already over 100 degrees. The opposite problem: in winter, if your garage drops below 60 degrees, the thermostat may not trigger the compressor to run at all. The fridge thinks it's cold enough and shuts off. Meanwhile, the freezer section warms above freezing and food thaws. Solutions: first option, get a garage-rated refrigerator. Gladiator, Frigidaire, and GE make models specifically designed for garages with a wider operating temperature range. These cost $600 to $1,000, but they're built for the job. Second option, insulate or climate control your garage. Even a small window AC unit or a garage heater kit helps keep temperatures in the operating range. Third option, accept shorter lifespan. A standard fridge in a hot Florida garage will last roughly half as long as one inside your air-conditioned home. Refrigerator repair for garage units too. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.